Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be making a cabbage and beef soup. So if you're interested to see how it came out and what I thought about it at the end, keep on watching and I'll make sure that I leave the recipe down below in the description box. Let's get started. Okay, hi y'all. Okay, so I just put the food in the crock pot and I'm like, I thought I had more time but I knew I would go super early. My oven, well, my stove says 7:55, but it is only 6:56, so 7, 8, 9, and we usually read about 9:15. So instead of the 5 to 6 hours on low, I'm just gonna do it on 2 hours on high. So when we get back from church, we'll be able to eat. Alright y'all, so we're back from church and this is the food here. I'm gonna taste it without the cheese and then with the cheese. Hot. Okay. It tastes good. Without the cheese, we're gonna put a little cheese on there anyway. Like, cheese makes everything taste better. What do you think about it, D'Angelo? I'm not gonna show you. You can just tell the people what you think. You need more seasoning or?
I think you need more seasoning.
A little bit more seasoning. Now on the recipe, it did say you can put like bay leaves in the crock pot while I cook, but I ain't have no bay leaves, and I went about to buy no bay leaves for, you know, one recipe.
I think parsley would have helped.
Parsley?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so if you want some more parsley, that's fine. I probably just some went down the wrong pipe, even though there's only one pipe. But the only thing I really add is just some salt, which I carry in my lunch bag anyway, And I did go light on the seasoning because sometimes somebody may think I put too much seasoning on stuff. So I didn't want it to be too salty. But I would just add a little bit more salt. If you all cook this, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you put in your soup or if you have any suggestions. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. All right, I had to come back and tell y'all I just put some it's a good old pink Himalayan sea salt on it. So good. Now, oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. It just need a little bit extra, just a little bit more salt. And I know what it was. So this recipe really only called for 1 pound of ground beef. But I did 2 pounds because I hate when I make soup and it's not enough meat in it. You know what I mean? So I just put the regular seasons amount they recommended, forgetting that I used 2 pounds of ground beef instead of 1 pound of ground beef. So just remember that if y'all make it, or if not, you know, just add some salt to it. Okay, all right.